Hello everyone, so we have a new video here and it's all about how you can remove multiple accounts on Facebook. So to begin, open the Facebook app on your device. You can see the three lines icon in the top right corner. Just tap on it. Then scroll down and select Logout to log out of your current account. Once logged out, you'll see all the accounts linked to the app. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Choose the account you want to remove and select Remove Profile. Confirm the removal by tapping Remove. Repeat this process for any additional account you wish to remove. This will ensure only the desired account remains on your list. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.